how to use AnyDesk step by step for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use anydesk.com. So let's get into it. First of all, you can go to anydesk.com and you will land on this website right here. AnyDesk is Access Now platform that gives you access to any device anytime from anywhere. It's a secure and fast network that you can use. You will be able to discover professional user management with AnyDesk, and you will be able to get a lot more options with the new update too. AnyDesk is for free and you can get started very easily. Once you get to anydesk.com, you can just click on My AnyDesktop, or what you can do is you can also download it or you can just sign in. So what I will do is I'll just simply go to myanydesk.com here. And now we have two options, My AnyDesk 1. So if you are already a customer, what you can do is you can just log in and continue. Or what you can do is you can also continue with the AnyDesk 2, which is the beta form, and you can get started with this one. I will just simply sign into My AnyDesk. Signing up process is also really easy. All you need to do is just enter some information. You need to enter your name, first name, last name, address, phone number, and you're good to go. After the initial sign up or sign into your AnyDesk, this is where you will land. You can see this is our desktop for the AnyDesk, and you can see this is our main dashboard. So at this side of the screen, you'll get the dashboard option, and here we have our welcome, and we're getting in access to some of the quick options. We have setup option here and also order now. Then we have our users. So this is where I will be able to set up my team. We can add more than one member in AnyDesk. If you have a family, if you have a work team, then you will add them right here. Invitation is really easy to send. You can send an invitation through an email address. Then we have our address books here. Now in address books, what happens is I'll be able to enter my personal info and the info for my team here. I'll actually show you in a minute how to create an address book in AnyDesk. Then we have our clients. So if you are using AnyDesk as a freelancer or as a team company, then of course you will have different clients. What you can do is you can enter the client information here and you can add a client from here. Then we have our sessions. So in sessions, it will show me the different sessions that are open, closed, error, and unknown. We have our start and end date here. Then we have bills and a license. Let's get to address book here and check these options in detail. So you will go to the address books here, and I'm going to switch to the team option and click on create address book. So here, give your address book a name. I'm going to call it new. Now click on create and your new address book will be created. So this is the one that we created and I can open it up. So once I open up an address book, you can see we have about. So I can click on edit and I can change the book name and I can also change the information. Then we have different tags. This address book has no tags, but I can create if I want to. And this is where I will enter the entries. Click on create entry and this is where you will enter a nickname, and here you can enter the addresses of client ID and more, and then we have comment in tags. So what I'll do is I'll enter a nickname, then I have to enter an address or client ID. So we have a client ID, which is this here, and I will enter a comment here. So for me, I'm just going to go with a new address. This is my comment for this one. And I'm also going to write the word test so that I will have an idea. This is the one that I created for the purpose of the video. Then we have the tags here. So here I will enter any tags I want to, and you can separate them with a comma. For instance, new. And then I can create a tag for the test. Enter, and the tag will be created. Click on create, and your new entry will be created in AnyDesk. This way I can create different address books and I can add different entries here. I will be able to add up to 100 of entries here, and we can even buy a plan. So you can see this is what the entries look like. Now we have this entry here in address. You can also enter an email address here. Now I can add as many entries as I want. Now we're going to move on to the client section. So in address book, if I take you back, we have personal. So this is my personal address book. Then if I switch to teams, you can see we have a default one, we have a name, and we have a new. So this is the one that we just created. Let's go to the client section now. In clients, we have explicit and implicit. Now there are two types of lists that we can create. So I'm going to go to the explicit here and click on add client. Once you click on add client, to add a client to your license, just copy the license key and paste it into your client's under settings license key. So what you will do is you'll open up your client if you have a client on other websites as well, or you can go to the license key here and you will paste the code that it just showed you, and this way you can actually create your clients very easily. And here we have our sessions. This is where I'll be able to check different sessions for different clients and different team members. It'll also show me the different sessions that are closed, open, error, or unknown. And similarly, we have our builds option here. So I'll go to the builds here and we have create build. So you will click on create. And here we have different devices. Now, what are the most important steps? Custom client generator. This is where I will enter different details for different devices my clients are going to add. So we have like Windows, we have Mac, Linux, Android. Then we have others too. So you can create a build or save a build from here. We have general. So client type, you will select the type from here. Build type, bidirectional, incoming or outgoing, download, private or public. Then we have visuals, file name, a program name. Everything will be shown right here, and it will save all of the details about your custom clients, about your client. And this is the custom client generator. So this is the build right here, and you can save the build or create a new build from here. I'm just going to click on save, and it will be saved like this. So you can see we have a new build created, and this way I can create as many builds as I want to. We have different information, of course, for a build. If you know how to create a build, then it will become more easier for you. You can select a platform, you can select a version, you can select if it's the direction, you can select the date, and you can also select if it's going to be private or public. So you can see these are all of the builds that we can create. Again, click on create build. This time maybe I can create with Mac, and then we have client type here. Then I can go with incoming. For download, we can go with public or private, build name, and everything. So this is actually pretty good for an app that we have created, or if you want to manage our team better. We also have a pricing plan for AnyDesk. So let me show you so you have an idea about the affordability of the platform. So when it comes to AnyDesk, we have a solo for $10.90 per month if built annually. Then we have a standard for $21.90 per month if built annually. And then we have an advanced for $57.90 per month if built annually. So this is the pricing plan for AnyDesk. It's not that expensive, and you will be able to find all of the different options that are included within a plan. You can order any of the plans from here, or you can also check it out for free. So we have a free option too for getting started. This is the one that I was showing you. And then of course we have solo, standard, advanced, and ultimate. So you can check out the different pricing plan right here with anydesk.com. Once you sign up, then you'll be able to get to your dashboard, and you will be able to experience all the new features, and you will be able to check out the AnyDesk management console. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. So yeah, also leave a comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.